Okay, so we're currently at work and I'm with my friends right now. So yan. Yeah. Oo. How does it feel na last day mo na today sa office? Start?
Start na. Ano pa, July pa.
Pero last day mo na to on-site. So this is my bestie, Joshi.
I'm fine. I've never been better than before because I'm with my bestie, Bestie Marie.
Period. How are you?
I think gusto ko mic eh. Hello, hello. Testing, testing. Mic test, mic test.
Pero go lang.
So yeah.
Are you happy?
No.
So we did the scuba trend. Yung sa TikTok. Bye!
Sabihan mo lang yung kapitsuran niya kami kinamay-damay kung ano-anong ginagawa.
Ano yung sa Tagalog? Yay! Currently in Gindako again. Itadakimasu! Mainit pa? Eh? Yay! Is that it? Kamusta ka? Kamusta naman na experience mo?
Oo.
So we're gonna watch Obsession.
No.
Surprise! We're in MOA again. Yung nearest mall. So, ayun. No. Takoyaki. Favorite ni Hubs. Look at that octopus. Yeah. Si Ashley. You know, I wanna make contents that's like them. Comment down below if you watch the same vlogger. Are you obsessed?
Obsessed with me.
Kay Mariah. With me.
Yes.
Hindi daw siya obsessed. No! Dapat obsessed ka.
Yes. I'm obsessed.
Oo. Okay na daw.
May water na po kayo.
Wala pa. Thank you. 5E6. Excuse me. Let's go. Can't wait to see Indy. Bye. Kailangan paglabas nito, memorize ko na yung line. Indy Navarrete. Yes. Currently in Country Waffles. This is our first time trying this. Ito yung bagong store dito sa third floor. Third floor. Para tayong nasa ano yun? Breakfast at Antonio's. Parang ganun. So good. This is the Parmesan cheese chicken.
Look at the chicken. It's so big.
Cereal chicken in Catherine's or here?
Parang
Jollibee.
Jollibee. They're both masarap eh.
Yeah. Oh my god, bro. Look at that. Sobrang. Ayan. First bite. Approve.
And super sarap. Parang yung kinain namin is like sobrang affordable naman siya. Reasonable, hindi ba affordable? Reasonable price. Crunchy in outside and soft inside.
Parang ikaw. Char. At Country Waffles in MOA.
Kung malay mo, ma-reach mo yung target audience mo.
We'll see. Okay, so may nakita kaming we saw another girl gutoy. Tapos siya, kinuha niya agad.
Dalawa ko eh. So, 4.
Buti na lang natalo siya.
Basta alam mo sa akin kasi napaka-secret ng Pinky Swear.
Kaya pala favorite mo yung pinky up ng Cat's Eye.
Talaga pinano.
Buti na lang nanalo ko dun sa deal na yun. Okay. Yay! Okay, sana lahat ulit. Wag lang to. I'm trying my luck. Siya yun. Any, ano. Okay, I'll try.
Guys, ito yun I hope nagustuhan niya.
So, may first.
Okay, may clue na.
Okay. Oh my God! Yay! Ano to? Okay. Good catch. Swerte sa fully book. Huwag na tayong bibili sa Pop Mart. Aray.
Ano?
May pitik yung likod ko. Turning 33 next month.
Yay! Congrats!
So-
Alam mo naman, may naiintindihan sila sa sabi ko, no? Kanta. Yan ka na. Wow, pinahiya ako dito sa vlog mo, ha? Ikaw kaya kumanta, ha? Parang na-imagine ko yung girl humahabol dun sa guy.
Yeah. Ang ganda nung movie. I mean, maganda siya for a horror movie. 30 minutes cardio. Okay, so we're currently in Toycon. Yay! I-check natin yung Monster kung free. My God. Let's go, Toycon. Cheers! Ay, wala na. Let's go. Cheers! How much will you spend today?
1.5.
Let's see!
Ikaw.
Wala. So we're now in the Mofusan booth. Grabe, ang daming tao. Nakaka-overstimulate. But it's fine. It's fun. It's fun to be here. Ano yan? I feel bars yun eh.
Hot toys, di ba yun?
Yeah. Grabe, ang daming tao.
So first purchase, so we have Dark Magus and IG-11. Dating 900, ngayon 450 each.
Period.
Ni Kuya?
Kahapon daw niya nabili sa Pop Mart yun, tapos nag-restock lang daw. So wala dito. Nakaka-overwhelm. But it's fun. Nag-enjoy ka naman.
Sobra.
Okay. Yeah, we saw yung Kodak Hirono. Times 3, almost yung price. Yeah. Grabe. Tanong mo nga. Yung Oreo BTS. Ayun no. There's Oreo. Okay. Kamukha niya yung Guys, nandito si Dr. Doom. Oh my God. Kaya pala wala pa yung trailer. Nandito pa siya. Parang may kamukha. Charing.
Sumisingit ako dun.
Ang asim naman dito. Huwag tayo dito.
Na nag-create ng mga toys, kaya may mga malaki silang booth.
Hey! Char. Okay. So, nasa Star Wars booth na naman kami. Because may nakita siyang Darth Vader. And, ayun no, si Darth Maul. Tsaka yung Purge. Ano yun? Purge something. Ganda ng lighting dito. Yay! May nakita na naman siyang good steal. Ako, wala pang nabibili. Palabas na kami, wala pa akong nabibili. But it's fine. It's fine. I don't need anything naman. Tsaka alam mo naman, Hirono lang ang gusto ko. Pero wala pang Hirono. Yeah. Marcos 4. Gerard 0. Wala. Feeling ko lalabas tayo dito nang wala akong nabibili. Sabi sa'yo tama yung prediction ko kanina eh. Good job. Uy, si ano? Sino yun? Si One Piece. Si One Piece.
Sa gitna.
Uy, oh. Tapos ka na ba sa Pokemon cards? Wow. I don't get to visit Comiket that much kasi malayo na siya sa Pasay. Oh my god, anyway. Okay. Ano yun? Parang mesa. Ooh, ano yun? Ay, this is Spider. Ooh, wow. Ay, ilang... Hayop ka? Paano pinakita? Ay, gumagalaw pa. I don't get the other references, but it's fun. It's fun to see people, you know, doing cosplay. It's just that yung iba maasim na. Tsaka mura siya.
This maximum 1 to 2.
Okay. Mochi cream. Your favorite. Sarap.
Ano yun? Coffee?
Coffee.
Kohi. Kohi. And kohi.
Dikit mo sa lens. Sarap. So we're waiting for 6 o'clock kasi we're gonna watch Disclosure Day.
Wala akong idea eh.
Ako din. Hindi mo ba nakita yung trailer na?
Hindi pa.
Ano mo ngayon?
Naniwala lang ako sa'yo.
Okay.
I can't imagine going here in a Samoa without you. Because
Ganda. We just finished watching Disclosure Day. Feeling mo ba may na-hide yung government?
I think after watching this, I think meron.
What if totoo yun? Ang galing ng acting skills ni Emily Blunt. Wala nga, parang clickbait lang siya na parang pag kumagat ka, ilalabas pa nila yung mga susunod na items pag umalis ka.
Maybe sa other country like US pa yun talaga.
Yeah. So happy siya kasi nakuha niya yung mga Star Wars na gusto niya. Mga limited edition. I'm gonna end the vlog here. It's been a very fun week. Ano ginawa natin? We watched 4 movies in 1 week. We went to MOA multiple times. And I spent my weekend with Hubs. My long weekend sa condo. See you on the next one.
Bye-bye.
Bimo, yung ano.
Like and subscribe.
Thank you. Bye.